Excuse me, are you a tourist?
Yes, I am.
Welcome to Brazil.
Thank you so much.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I just arrived yesterday.
That's great. How do you like it so far?
I love it. The people are very kind.
I'm happy to hear that.
What is your name?
My name is Jason. And yours?
I'm Jessica. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Jessica.
Do you live around here?
Yes, I live just down the street.
That's nice. Do you speak English often?
Not much. I'm still learning.
Your English is good.
Thank you. I practice every day.
That's the best way to improve.
Can I ask you a few questions in English?
Of course. Go ahead.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, I see. Is it cold there?
Very cold, especially in winter.
I've never seen snow before.
You should visit someday.
I hope I can. Do you like our food?
Yes, they're amazing.
That's called feijoada.
Delicious.
If you need any help, you can ask me.
That's very kind of you.
I want to practice more English.
You're doing great already.
Thank you. I'm trying my best.
Keep going. You'll become fluent soon.
I hope so. Have a nice day, Jessica.
You too, Jason. Take care.
Excuse me, I need help.
Of course. What's the problem?
My luggage didn't arrive.
Oh no. Which flight were you on?
Flight 827 from Tokyo.
Okay, let me check the system.
Thank you. I'm really worried.
It happens sometimes. Don't worry.
I waited at the carousel.
And your bag didn't come out?
No, everyone else got theirs.
I see. Can you describe your bag?
It's a black suitcase with a red tag.
Large or medium?
Medium size, with wheels.
Any stickers or labels?
Yes, it has a fragile sticker.
Got it. What's your name?
Michael Kim.
Passport number, please.
Here it is.
Thank you. One moment, please.
Sure.
Good news. Your bag is in Frankfurt.
What? How did that happen?
It was sent on the wrong flight.
Oh, no.
But it will arrive tomorrow morning.
Really? That's a relief.
Yes, we'll deliver it to your hotel.
That's great.
What's your hotel address?
Hilton Central, room 307.
Got it. Do you have your claim tag?
Yes, right here.
Thank you. All set now.
Will you call me when it arrives?
Yes, we'll contact you by phone.
Thank you so much for helping.
You're welcome.
I was really nervous.
I understand. It's normal.
I'll try to relax now.
Enjoy your stay here.
I will. Thanks again. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
I think I'm lost.
No problem. Where are you going?
I'm flying to Bangkok.
May I see your ticket?
Sure. Here it is.
You're flying with Air Asia.
Yes, that's right.
Your gate is 23B.
Oh, no. I think I walked past it.
Don't worry, I'll show you the way.
Thank you so much.
First, go straight ahead.
Okay, got it.
Then turn right after the coffee shop. You will see a big screen.
With flight numbers?
Exactly.
Is 23B far from here?
About a 5-minute walk.
That's not bad.
Just follow the signs.
Are there restrooms near the gate?
Yes, right next to it.
Perfect.
You should board in 30 minutes.
I still have time.
Would you like a map?
That would help.
Here you go.
Thank you so much, Lisa.
You're very welcome.
You've been really helpful.
I'm happy to assist.
This is my first flight.
How exciting!
I hope I don't miss it.
Don't worry, you'll be just fine.
Hello. I'd like to check in, please.
Sure. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, it's under the name Jane.
Let me check. Yes, I found it.
Great.
Can I see your ID, please?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. You booked a single room for 2 nights, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Would you like a room with a view?
Oh, yes, that would be nice.
We have a room on the 5th floor.
Perfect.
Here is your room key, room 512.
Thank you.
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Great.
The elevator is to your left.
Got it.
Do you need help with your luggage?
No, I only have a backpack.
All right. The Wi-Fi password is on your room card.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much.
If you need anything, just call the front desk.
I will.
The checkout time is 12 noon.
Noted.
Would you like a wake-up call?
Yes, at 7 a.m., please.
Okay.
Thanks again.
You're welcome.
Is there a nearby restaurant?
Yes, just across the street.
Awesome.
Have a great day, Mr. Jane. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, how can I help you?
My phone battery is dead.
Oh, I see.
I don't have a charger with me.
That happens a lot. Is there a charging point nearby? Yes, there's one over there.
I went there, but I don't have a cable.
I understand.
Can I borrow a charging cable, please?
What type of phone do you have?
It's an iPhone.
Let me check.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. One moment.
I need to make an urgent call.
Don't worry, we'll help you. I found a lightning cable.
That's perfect.
You can charge your phone at this desk.
Really? That's so kind of you.
No problem. Let me plug it in.
Thank you. It's charging now.
You're welcome.
Can I sit here while it charges?
Of course. Take your time.
I just need 10% to make a call.
It should take a few minutes.
Do you get this often?
Yes, very often.
You're very helpful.
Thank you, miss.
My phone's at 12% now.
That should be enough for a call.
Great. You really saved me today.
Happy to help.
Have a great day, sir.